Really sorry. I should have made this video like a fucking month ago, but anyways, listen. So everyone's talking about how their nozzle here, they're having trouble with it, you know, hitting the bed. All right, so you need a Torx wrench. I don't know what size this is. It's fucking small. The little calibration tool that you got with your printer. If you still have this, this is another little calibration tool. It's 2 millimeters, about the thickness of a sheet of paper. However, this is much better than paper. And a flathead screwdriver, so you can adjust this little knob up here. That the first thing you want to do is take your Torx wrench, loosen the screws on the side that are holding your sensor in place. Once you loosen those screws, this sensor can move up and down, okay? After you do that, take the calibration tool, put it underneath the sensor, okay? It still moves up and down, right? Then you want to take this small metal calibration tool and slide it underneath the nozzle. And then very slowly, manually lower the nozzle down. Once you have the nozzle touching this metal piece, you want to tighten these screws back up. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to come over here with my Torx wrench, and I'm going to tighten it up. Okay, so now it can't move. Okay, so once you've done this, this is important, what you have to do is you remove this calibration tool and remove this one. Okay, after you remove it, this light should be turned off. You want this light to be on. Take your screwdriver and turn it very slowly until your light comes back on. That's the sensitivity. Okay, so now your printer knows that when that sensor gets this close to the bed, that light should come on and it stops. Now your printer is calibrated properly. Hey, let me know if this helps you out. This should fix it. If you still have problems, let me know, and you know what I mean, we'll go from there.